so we're out onto the pier now. So let's see how far we can go. Oh boy, look at the waves from here. The waves are kicking up pretty good today, it looks like. Here, this is the pier from this side. Let's see a peek at the pier. Let's look at what we've got going here. Originally built in it was built in 1968.
Was it?
Looks like it, yeah. See, there's our hotel over there now. See, now you can see it a little bit better. This is the section that we were in, the hotel. Yeah, you see the section we're in, see it a little bit better. So we're walking out onto the pier. Now let's see what we can see. And you got people actually fishing from the pier. See, let's see what we're doing here, teetering on the brink. This is yeah. Okay. There's more right. Let's look and see. It looks like the Gulf Shores is built up pretty good up through there. Yeah. Okay, well let's continue walking. You want to continue walking along the pier?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's see if we can get this far. Okay. Yeah. We're going way out now. Look how far we are out. That's pretty good. Got a lot of people fishing from the fishing pier. I think we can go out to the end. I think we can go out all the way to the end here.
Yeah.
So let's see if we can walk all the way out to the end. Yeah. And I think there's a platform that we can get up on once we get to the end. Diversity of life. Let's see this here. There we go. We're getting some of the signs that tell us about fish and birds and all that kind of things from here. We're going to actually be able to see our hotel room pretty good from here. Yeah. This is a long pier.
Yeah.
And it's kind of quite a ways out through here. So here's the one little section. So we saw all of these little sections last night. Okay, so here's some more locals here. Okay. All right, let's see what we can do here. We can get over here. There's a hotel right there. Okay. Okay. Now here's the fishing pier. This is this building right in here on the end of the pier. I might not be able to get to the platform because that part might be washed out. Well, let's go see if it is. We can get down through this part. Let's see what we can have here. Yep. Okay. Looks pretty pretty crowded here today. Now if we go this way, I think right up here is as far as we can go, because if you look over here, watch for nets and stuff, but if you look over here, I think the pier's no washed out beyond this point. Look at there. Look there, she got a fish, TJ. Watch them, see?
Got two of them.
See, she can look at there. She's got 2 fish.
Why is she leaving the fish up?
See?
Yeah.
She'll put them in the cooler in a second.
See, so she's caught some fish and she's putting them in the cooler. Those are pretty fish, aren't they?
Yeah.
Got quite a few.
Yep.
I got 5.
Yeah. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, okay, see, it looks like where that used to be right over there.
Yeah.
It looks like the pier washed out here. So that little section over here used to be part of the pier. I'll zoom in on it. But see, it's washed. The pier's washed out. It looks like they're trying to rebuild part of it right here. But it washed out. Now let's look. We can see our hotel good from here, TJ. Look at there.
Yeah.
This is the full hotel from the end of the pier. This is as far out onto the pier as we get. So if we look for here's where the section, the first section was. That wasn't our section. And then here is where the bar or the restaurant's in this part, and this is check-in. And then right in here is actually where our room is. So we were on the very end over there, the very end building, and you and Papa were on the middle building there. That's where we see. So we can actually see it pretty well from here. And I'll just get a view of the whole thing. Get the whole deal, the whole motel. There you go. Okay. Let's see what he's got over here. He's got something on his line. Let's see. He's got a fish or something. Don't know what he's got. But he's fishing on the pier. But see, a lot of people fish on the pier. See, his line is really. Oh look, he's got a fish going on. Look at that. Look at that. Look at TJ.
She'll get that gotcha out there.
Look, there's a fish. See, look at that one. See, he just pulled that one in.
Step on so you can take his hook out.
Yeah, that's a pretty good fish there. Okay, and there's our hotel. So see, we really weren't very far from the Gulf State Park fishing pier, were we?
No.
And there's our hotel.
That's why we stayed there.
And then here's the rest of the pier. Okay, I think we get a lot of these. So let's see, let's go. We can see, know your fish. Here, watch right, don't step in that. That's fish blood. There we go, let's, we'll go over this way. And see, look at some of the things on the pier. Okay, let's walk right around here this time. I want to walk right around here. Because from here we can get a little bit of the pier. See, look at that. See, we get the pier from right here. Okay.
You gonna get my rod out
Let's
of the
go.
way?
No, we can go right around here if you're
Alright.
fine with
How
it.
y'all
I think
doing
we're
today?
good. We're doing good. Okay, watch the rod, TJ.
Are you
Just
out here
kinda-
enjoying this?
Yeah, it's a nice day.
It's a nice day.
Okay, watch it, TJ. You got fish blood right there. Okay. All right, y'all have a good one. Okay. So now we're getting back on the pier right here. There you go. Now we can walk back down the pier. And see, looking back, there's people out on the beach now, and there's some of those chairs that were there whenever we were. See, whenever they put the blue chairs out, whenever we were seeing it this morning, and we walked along from one end of the boardwalk to the other. See, there's the boardwalk, and then you can get to the other boardwalk to the other end of the motel. So that's the boardwalk. And you can actually get the whole motel from here too.
Yeah.
All right, let's continue to walk on down. Watch the rods here, so let's go out the middle here. Watch people. We've got to stay in the middle so we can watch people's rod. There we go. Okay. So see, we can, there you go. So we can walk down Gulf State Park Pier. I think we got that one on the way. It's getting a little warm out here today, isn't it?
A little bit.
I imagine it would have been a little bit warm for just to like live under the pier.
Yeah.
Because in the hot days like this, it'd be pretty warm under the pier, wouldn't it? So I'm sure he's happier now that he's not under the pier.
Yeah.
So there we go. So let's go this way. Oh, there's a bird. All right. So let's continue on here to the fishing pier. See, and then here's this way. All right. See, these people got some. See, some of these people's got some good fishing rods. These are pretty good fishing rods. Deep sea fishing rod, or actually surf fishing. This is a long pier.
Yeah, it is.
So this is the pier
Yeah.
that you've heard about. The Gulf State Park fishing pier. There's our motel again. I'll get it from this angle again. Yep, there we go. Now let's continue on this way. Not anybody fishing this section, so ocean this direction. Oh look, there's some birds coming this way. Look at there. Oh, look at this way. I think those are cranes.